Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let me turn the GoPro on because I think you guys gonna like that capture. All right, so this is a 2016 Chevy Cruze 1.4 turbo, and the customer complaint is overheating. The car has 72,000 miles, and I already did the diagnosis, and it's a water pump. I mean, you'll see it's obvious. So the only thing that I have done is disconnect the map sensor and remove the clip from here. And I'm gonna take you guys with me on this repair as well. So this is a turbo engine. You are loose. Why are you so tight? And I can move it. When I feel something like that, I try to not mess too much with. So we can leave that there, and we can take the whole filter out. As you can see, it's pretty simple. And I mean, definitely, we're gonna need to get this motor mount out of here. This car has a motor mount on the back and another one in the front, so it's probably gonna lean this way, but I don't think that's gonna be a problem. As far as parts, everything is OEM. So we got original GM belt, AC Delco thermostat, and this is the box for the water pump, which I think is also from the dealer. Let's open this up. Not sure if this is the original tape from the packaging or not. So I have the gasket, another gasket, no ring. You can put this box away. I'm gonna put those gaskets in my toolbox. And let's see what we got here. Made in Germany. Wow. It is OEM gym. So I am actually very surprised to see this coming from Germany. Still, it's not a really good vehicle. No matter what you put on. But well, it's here to get fixed, so let's get that done. Alright, so we need to get the belt out. Usually just push in here, see what I can do with the tension or not. Let's see one thing. I have to use just a regular wrench, but the 10 is too small. Let's see a 12. It's a torque, but you can use a 12 point. So 12 is too big. I think it's gonna make me use the right tool for it. Yeah, it's kind of like too small for the amount of pressure that I need to do in there. So let's use the E sockets reverse torque. Looks like a E14. Yeah, that is exactly what it is. At least it seems like we got enough room to work just from the top up, from the top. So again, E14, and I leave those in a tray that I put right in my tool cart. Don't have to look for that one without looking at too much. I'm just pulling the belt around that tensioner. I mean, I can cut it if I want. I got a new. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to. So let me just cut this out because I don't like to have it on my way. And now it's stuck. Come on, let it go. Yeah, got it out. If you're gonna reuse the belt, make sure you put an arrow on the rotation. In my case, I am not using it. And these are 15s. Yep. Using this stubby from Milwaukee. Very happy from. I mean, with look at the power. I have to put a jack. Trying to see if it stays by itself. Oh, looks like it does. Yeah, I got all the three of them out. So I put one of my trays in here on my bench and extension for that. Let's remove that motor mount from there. At least on this, it's good design, very easy, simple. And the bracket in here is also 15. I need to use a ratchet for that. Only a dip one, dip socket 15. Didn't work for this ones. And let's loosen them up. Lose the center one. Hopefully you guys are seeing good from the top. I think I put the GoPro on a good angle, but I'm going to double check. Sorry for that shaking. Let's see. Yeah, you guys are going to have a nice capture from there. Now that I have all the bolts loose, can you use the cordless, speed up the job. All right, that stays with the bracket, so I don't have to be looking at sizes or length. And these are 12s. Yep. So E12s. And since I already removed the belt, I'm gonna use the Ingersoll Rand which it has more RPMs and more torque for this. So you can see it's beautiful. Oop. And the nice thing too, see how I, by mistake, put them so it's tied up in here? I can go the opposite way. Now with the Milwaukee, that's an error I think they did. Put in the reverse and forward right ahead. It should be down where you're not like stuck into something. All right, that should take care of the pulley. Put it here. And we need to get the front upper hose or lower hose actually. Coolant thermostat, the thermostat, and that rear hose. Looks like everything is very easy to access. I have the car in the jack, so I can lift it up if I need to. For the connection, let me use one of my picks in here to remove this connector. That's pretty much what I need to do with that. And the big one to get the hose out. I'll use this like this. Let it go. Let it be the W40. This one is done. As far as here, I have this electrical, no vacuum, a very tiny vacuum line, and then this flexible hose, which is on my way in there. Unless I remove that kind of like clip, and that kind of is a clip. Just trying to get it out of the hose. Yep, because it's heating on the other side. Perfect. Make sure I'm catching that. Pretty much. I always got them up uh, next to my bay to clean all the mess. And the thermostat has a hose at the bottom, so let me use that plier for hoses from a snap-on. It's gonna work for this one in here. Like snap, no. The nice thing about this, I can leave it, get the pick for the hoses, release the hose, seal. Nope, it's not, it's still hooked. I have to pull the clamp out as much as I can. All right, at least it's out of my way. Now I can go around the hose more, break it loose. Why is being hauled? Feels like it's moving very freely. Okay. All right. I think what I'm going to do is release that clamp from the back. It's kind of like very hard to see, at least for me to show you guys. I got it out of the hose. Keep this clamp here. Now can I break the seal? Because my goal is actually, I'm going to leave the thermostat here and take the pump with the thermostat and take the thermostat outside. This look even smaller. Yeah, those are E10. I'm gonna get a chrome one, deep one, and quarter inch. By the way, the clamp on the turbo is 7 millimeter. Remember, I give you the socket size. You can see how many balls we need to take. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep. Hmm. Two different sizes right next to each other. Trying to get this one. It wants to stay there. Let me see how much are you guys been able to see. Maybe I can move this for now. Well, I will not be able to work if I do that. So, trying to give you a nice capture. Should have I should have done this with the camera off. Well, that actually might work good. Well, that was just a piece of paper. And that's the nice thing about a small camera. You can fit it or put it anywhere. Not sure if that was or not necessary. Got one here. This one I know it is. But you have two more in the front. Two, four, six, eight, nine. So yeah, I took one that wasn't necessary. That one on the bottom was not for the water pump. I'll be putting it right away. Right here. Let me just get the pump out. Let's tie this with a ratchet for now. That should be it. Nope. Hmm. Didn't see that in here. Because it's probably. No. Let me see. Do I need to take it or not? No. No. I think I'm done. Done with the bolts. One thing that I do before I pull anything, go around with the mirror, make sure that I have everything I need out. Hopefully you guys can see the holes in there. So that's out. Yeah, everything is out. Wow, it is tight. Yeah, break it loose. hmm And probably now I can get a better access on that hose with the hose pick. See, before it would be a nightmare to get that out. And right now, it's just a piece of cake. Let me put that on the bench. I need to clean the gasket, and that's it. So I know this is a quick video, but that's what I'm going to show. It's as easy as simple as this, and then installation is in reverse order. So I hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.